In this video, we're going to walk you through how to set up your Mailchimp profile from start to finish so you can get your email marketing running smoothly. Stay tuned because we're covering everything you need to know to optimize your Mailchimp profile for success, and trust me, you won't want to miss the special bonus offer at the end. First things first, if you haven't already, head over to Mailchimp's website and sign up for an account. It's completely free to get started, and you can use the software with all the basic features without spending a dime. You can grab an exclusive bonus to unlock extra features by clicking the first link below. Once you've signed up, you'll land on your dashboard. The next thing you'll want to do is update your account settings. This is essential for making sure Mailchimp is set up properly for your email campaigns. You'll find this option in the Account section under Settings. Here, you'll input your business name, physical address, and other key details that Mailchimp needs to comply with legal email marketing regulations. Trust me, don't skip this part. It ensures your emails won't get flagged as spam. The third thing you'll need to do is connect your email address. In the same settings area, you'll add a sending email address. This is the address your subscribers will see when they receive your emails. You can even authenticate your domain to improve your email deliverability and avoid your messages going to spam. If you're not sure how to do that, don't worry, Mailchimp offers a simple walkthrough. Next up, let's talk about adding your audience. Your audience is where all your contacts are stored, and Mailchimp makes it easy to import them from various sources, whether it's a CSV file, another email platform, or even a manual entry. Once you've imported your contacts, you can segment them into groups based on factors like interest, location, and past interactions. This is key for sending targeted campaigns that resonate with your subscribers. The fifth thing you'll need to do is integrate any apps or tools you plan to use with Mailchimp. This could include integrating your website with Mailchimp so you can capture new signups directly into your audience. You can connect your social media accounts as well, which will allow you to easily share campaigns across platforms. The integrations are endless, so check out what works best for your needs. After setting up your basic profile, it's time to create your first campaign. Head to the Campaigns section of Mailchimp, where you'll find an option to create a new email campaign. You'll choose between regular emails, automated messages, or ads, depending on what fits your strategy. Don't forget to personalize your campaigns. Mailchimp gives you the tools to add your brand's logo, colors, and custom messaging, making your emails feel professional and tailored to your audience. And now for the last thing, tracking and analyzing your campaign results. Once your campaigns are live, you can view detailed reports about how your emails are performing. This includes open rates, click rates, and even how many people unsubscribed. With these insights, you can tweak future campaigns to improve your engagement and reach your goals. If you stick around till the end, I'll share how you can unlock an extended free trial of Mailchimp through our exclusive offer linked below. This is perfect for those of you looking to take your email marketing to the next level. To recap, we've covered everything from setting up your Mailchimp profile to tracking your email campaigns. Now that you know how to set up your Mailchimp profile efficiently, you'll be able to hit the ground running with your email marketing strategy. Don't forget, click that link below to start using Mailchimp for free and access those special bonuses to make the most out of your email marketing campaigns.